pin over here, the safety thing. I will do this one. Okay, let's try to put it in. We have to put in the safety thing because otherwise the cable can come out. How was it there? No idea how to put it back. In the worst case, I can use different pin, different clip to lock it. I think I might just do that because this one's weird. Oh, maybe that's how it was. Wait a sec. Bear with me, this is the first time I do this. I think it was like this. Okay. I think it goes around and then I have to bend it back. Okay, I have these. That's probably the most difficult one here. Okay, I bent it and I'm gonna insert it there. Okay. I bent it back. Okay, and I'm gonna insert it here. It's in. Okay. Okay, it's in. Yeah. Okay, we have it. Woo. That's a tough one. Cable is in, this is in. Okay, now another one. It's this one. So that one Okay, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, push it in. That's all I think it is. Okay. Okay. Wow, it works. I'm shocked. We did it. Okay. This one goes in the bottom. Okay, so what we have now is to put the console back, and that's it. This is plugged in, this is in, and it's working, obviously. Yeah, locked. Okay, so let's see. It should work now. Okay, that works. Okay. No, it slides in this one. Now, yeah. Okay, now it works. Okay, yeah. Okay, I push this one in, the yellow one, and okay. So now I'm gonna put back the console, the base for the console. Okay. Okay. It has to go into the place. It is in. Okay. Now to two screws. Okay, 25 torque, 25. Okay, now the rest. Now these two. Okay, now we put the base, I mean the top. Oh, wrong. Okay, I forgot. This goes later. Okay, here it is. Okay, everything is in. We can screw everything into place. Okay. Okay, so we're almost done. Okay, what I need to do now, we have two here, two more. We need two more. That was actually quick. Okay. Okay, here the top. Okay, it's in the rubber piece, the cover. Okay, for the back of the console. Okay, here and this one. How do you go? Okay.